Now I want to tell you, if the problem is not even solvable with the help of homogeneous condition, because problem may not be of that category, then we are bound to think that with which of type, with which of category the question belongs. One very ordinary, if x terms are separable with dx and y with dx. If it is not so, we will think for homogeneous. If it is so, as explained in my previous video, and if it is not so, then there is one more category, that some specific steps are required to solve such problems: linear differential equation. First, how to identify, how to diagnose that problem is of linear differential equation. Linear differential equations are of the form linear, dy by dx, first order, and the degree is 1, dy by dx, plus p into y. Once, if it is y, then here should be y. If question is in dx upon dy, then here should be p into x. So if I am talking about first very direct problem, dy by dx plus py is equals to q, where p and q must be functions of the form x. These should be the terms in the form of x. So to know whether the problem is of differential equation, we must know the problem belonging to this form dy by dx plus p into y is equals to q. Power of y is 1. Here dy by dx power is 1, is first order derivative, and terms p and q are of the form x. So if the question is in the linear differential equation, then what is the approach to solve? It has some specific approach. That is what first we need to identify to diagnose p and q. What's p? Coefficient of y. What's q? Whatever written in the RHS. After obtaining the values of p and q, we will calculate if, which is known as integrating factor. To calculate the integrating factor, the rule is to power integration of p into dx. This is integrating factor. So first diagnose, secondly obtain p and q, then find integrating factor by the rule of to power integration p dx, and then multiply the entire equation which is linear differential by the integrating factor. And after multiplying both sides by integrating factor if, you are required to calculate the answer by this formula: y into if is equals to integration of q into if dx plus integrating constant c.